celebrity. Why e be say every time now na matter we just dey hear? Toto Dike will just dey finish, never even finish say. This one na Tiwa Savage, wetin dey happen? E don still cry come out now. Somebody still dey blackmail am as the same way they still do with Toto Dike. Okay, now we be celebrity. Una supposed to dey use una sense. Yes. Hello guys, hello good people. How you was doing? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's your book guy Mommy Flourish, guys. My people, another one does still happen now. For our house celebrity, Tiwa Savage. Oh God. Why be say every time we just dey hear? Every time. If not be Toto Dike, go be Bob Whiskey, go be this one, go be that one, go be Timaya, go be Una we be celebrity. Una supposed to do hard on yourself. Yes. Celebrity not be for matter. Especially this time. We just stay so social media time. We don't even know who be who. No. We don't even know who be who. You feel just person where you call your friend. Now you go carry camera, video you. You not go know. Yes. But this time we don't know what it can happen. So now if you dey even walk out for street, before you do anything, look front, look back before you do anything. Yes, because you don't know who dey your back. You don't know who dey your front. You don't know who dey even video you for there. You go surprise. You see yourself for social media. Now what it could happen now these days. My people. If you are new on this my channel, please do subscribe, share my video, and also drop a comment, guys. Follow me on this channel and also follow me on my my page, Mommy Flourish TV. Okay, guys. Follow me on my TikTok. I'm still there also. So, guys, my people, voila, no dey finish. As we dey hear, na so we dey talk am. Toto Dike will come that day. Now I think now everything does still come small. Why be say so blackmail? They call the blackmail celebrity these days. See, Tiwa Savage does still cry come. I say some people they blackmail now because they don't see nakedness where they do. Who video am? We don't know. So now he said they do the blackmail now, and he no know what he go do, and he no fit tell them say make they not do it because they ask for money now. Forever I know if it possible. Everybody know. Even though he give them money now, wetin go still happen, They go still come for am again. They go still dey find another money again. Now see say e no go finish now. Now make she cry come out. So if na me, make dem carry the thing come out. Yes, because not be you be the first and you not fit be the last. Many people they don't they bring their nakedness on social media. You don't tell away with the see am. We dey hear everywhere nowadays. Not be that guy with the Curtis even beat that day. The naked and share. Many people see the video. But today, I believe everything does still count. Nobody can still dey hear for that one again now. You go still move on with your life. My sister, make they carry the video come out. If na picture, make they carry come out. Get where go still reach, everywhere go still silent. Nobody go even see am again. We not go even hear am again. Na so it reach. For you to dey pay money, audio money for them, not possible. Because if you give them today, tomorrow they will still come for you again. Yes, you go still go pay another money today. It's better you no even start. As you just dey like this, leave them. Make dem do wetin dem wan do. I know because of your position or your representation, I don't know. Fine, we know. But for you to even dey careless like that, big girl like you, a big woman like you no good. As big woman, like the way you just stay like this, you no supposed to dey do a thing like this. Like people go just video you, come dey threaten you with your nakedness. No make sense. You suppose know wetin you do. You suppose, as in, you suppose use sense now. Yes, I know everybody nowadays they record video everywhere. Video wey you no even expect it. As in, e go come out these days. But we need to be careful. My sister, Tiwa Savage, please don't even bother. Let them carry the video come out. Let them carry anything where they get about you, make them carry and come out. The same way that they do to Dike that day. Now so they go disgrace you. Now so they go do this one. Now so they go do, as in, it's crazy, guys. Yes, it's really crazy. But see, but to Dike now, everything will not be here again. Yes, now so it reach. Now social media. If they bring and come out, people talk about them, share them, do this, do that, upon you go still finish. You no go kill your career. You no go command anything for your body. Yes, go off for social media for some time. Finish. Now so it is. So guys, now this one bring come today for now my people. Now make my day here. Thank you all so much for being here. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe, and share my video. Follow me on my page, Mommy Florist TV. Follow me on my YouTube, this very one. So YouTube, follow me, Mommy Florist TV show. Follow me, guys. Love you all so much. Stay blessed. Bye bye.